Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with the 2024 Mustang Gt350R gets an update in performance tech. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Ford's fantastic Shelby Mustang Gt350R has been breaking muscle car conventions with its highly strung V8 and track-focused handling since 2015, but has now been through a round of subtle component revisions learned from the recently revealed Shelby GT500. The car has just been given a slew of upgrades for 2020, all aimed at the better performance and more driver enjoyment. The main improvements come in the front suspension, where the GT350R gets a redesigned geometry with the new high-trail steering knuckle straight from the GT500. It's paired with a new electric steering rack that's been recalibrated to work with the new hardware. Also, Ford has removed the R's exhaust resonators to save weight, which is likely to result in increased driver satisfactions and exhaust loudness. The other key connections between the Gt350R and the GT500s are threads common to every Mustang. The cars will share their basic body shells, interiors, etc. In fact, the GT500 benefits from some trickle-up tech from the GT350 and the Gt350R models. Its dual overhead cam 5.2-liter V8, of course. In the GT500, the engine is supercharged, boosting its output from 526 horsepower to an overkill 760 horsepower. Also, while the GT350R includes fancy lightweight carbon fiber wheels as standard, they are pricey options on the GT500. So really, Ford should be spitting out headlines about how the new GT500 picks up key bit from its lesser GT350 siblings. Ford has yet to release pricing for the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT350R, though we can't imagine it being much more than the current car's MSRP of $67,135. Let me know in the comment section below folks, would you rather have the GT350R or the GT500?